for a long time. Let's get to work.
What should I cook then?
Let's have a cooking skill competition. Let's see who is best at cooking.
Yeah!
Great! Frying pan. Hi all, I'm Frying Pan. I can fry the egg and steak. Beef steak. Let me get the ingredients ready first. Marinate the beef. Pepper. Salt. La la la. Let's start frying the steak. Butter. Beef. The hot oil may spill out. Be careful not to get burned. Yeah, all done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. Let me take a shower first. Look, this is the beef steak I made. Thank you. Yo, yo, yo! We are the happy steamer siblings. We are steamer. We can steam the corn and fish. Steamed fish. Let's get the ingredients ready. Marinate the fish. Salt. Cooking wine. Scallion and ginger. We are going to start steaming the fish. Wait. Water. Wait. Fish. Oh. Watch out! The steam is really hot. It's well cooked. We are dirty all over. We need to be washed clean. Yo, yo, yo! This is the delicious fish we steamed. Thank you. Thank you. Next, it is my showtime. I am juicer. I can make the fruit juice and vegetable juice. Make the vegetable juice. Let's process vegetables first. Carrot. vegetable juice. Carrot. Cover me up with the hat so the juice won't spill out. All done. Pour the vegetable juice. I am dirty all over after making juice. I need to be washed clean before getting on stage. This is the nutritious vegetable juice. Thank you for enjoying my performance.